Good morning, my name is Anesh from Juice Technologies. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome Jane and Jim from Next Step Learning. Thank you, Jane and Jim, for coming through to have a look at the Toshiba. From our quotes and our process thus far, you're happy with the pricing and happy with everything else, and you're wanting an opportunity to have a look at the machine. Now's the opportunity, and we've set up a demo for you guys. You want to come through, and then we can start on this particular machine. The Toshiba, the reason we chose the Toshiba, it fits nicely in with your model, in your work environment, and integrates nicely in what you're currently doing and helps with the workflow as well. Toshiba has been in the office automation industry for 27 years. Prior to that, Toshiba has been operating from 1875, and they've been market leaders and innovators in terms of technology. They're always coming out with new stuff in terms of technology. This particular machine here, the Toshiba eStudio 2051, is a remarkable machine. We'll just run through the machine briefly. Very, very easy machine to use, very user-friendly. In fact, all the areas that you need to concentrate on is in different color. It's in actually this bluish gray. So that's your user area, and that's the areas that you only need to concentrate on. But what I'll take you through is more detail, but you don't have to worry too much about it. But I just want to show you the ease of use and the user-friendliness of the machine. First of all, you have your toners, which all sit at the bottom here. Your toner cartridges is new type toner that we're using. It's advanced technology. It fuses at a lower temperature and gives you a remarkable image. The toner cartridge really slides out, and that's how easy it is to replace them. Okay, you slide it back in, boom, and it's done. The other new technology with this machine is LED imaging unit, which creates a sharper image in terms of your lines and giving you a crisper, clearer, more clearer document and very, very sharp images. Okay. You have your paper tray down at the bottom, which is lockable. It has a lever on the handle. It takes up to 250 sheets on the standard model. And you have the option of adding another a 2x500 or a single 500 sheet tray. If you add those trays in, it will create rotate sorting, which is ideal for your business in terms of running the training manuals, the 200 training manuals that you'll do on a monthly basis. I spoke to Jo, and she said to me that you'll outsource those documents currently. Now you can bring it in-house, and basically when you have the extra paper tray, you'll be able to rotate sort, so your copies will come out, one in portrait and the next set in landscape. It's merely taking it from the output tray and binding it, and then you have a complete document. Right? The machine has a 7-inch LCD display, which is in color as well, so it makes user friendliness even easier, and it's icon based, so it's really, really simple to use. Everything is icon based. You can see the picture of the machine. It will allow you to select the various paper trays that you need to use. Okay. You also have a bypass tray for your thicker board, as well as for the front covers of your training manuals that you run, that you could insert from the bypass tray, so that you get one complete document like I've shown you. Okay. You move on to your scanning. The scanning features on this machine here, you have a whole array of scanning formats that you can do. You can scan directly to Word, directly to Excel, as well as to email or to folder. Right? Currently you're using the CanoScan flatbed, and I've noticed in the office there's documents lying all around, and there's a lot of filing that happens in your office environment. I spoke to Jo, and she said to me that the ideal situation would be to scan in the documents prior to it being filed, but unfortunately, because of the flatbed scanner, it takes up a lot of time. and quite often most of your staff just merely go and file it. If there's a fire in the building or there's a theft, you lose all that information. With the scanning functionality on this machine, prior to you filing the document, you can scan it, save an electronic copy, and you can create your own database of how you want to save it. Right? On the machine itself, you'll notice that it has a LED light on the top. When you place your document in, okay, it will light up. And when it lights up, blue, that means there's document in the document feeder ready to be processed. When you're processing the document and there's a jam, it will light up orange. When the document is being processed, it will flash blue. Okay? It's very nice and handy to have that, because then it will give you a clear indication as to what the problem is. Okay? Your paper path, as you can see, is very, very short from the first tray up to the next tray, to the output tray. Your paper jamming areas, the jams will relatively occur on this side, and it's very easy to remove, but the machine really jams. I'll show you shortly how confident I am in terms of this machine and the jamming process. Let's just do a copy. I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'm just going to take this page. I'm going to put it through. I'm thinking I'm crazy to actually clear up this page and run it through. But I just want to show you that this machine actually will process this document with ease. We tore the page and it went through the entire machine, and there was absolutely no jam. That's how confident I am in terms of the paper path on this machine. It's a very robust machine, very, very versatile. There are other key features that will actually enhance your business and help you. Just remember that this is an A3, A4 machine, as it has color functionality as well, and it does superb color. I mean, we've just printed this off the machine shortly, and you can see the color image. It's crisp, clear, and it's going to do wonders for your marketing department as well. Okay. The next feature I'd like to show you on the machine is something that's quite different and unique to this machine that other machines in the market don't have, is actually your outside erase. And what it does is, generally, when you process a document like this, you cannot leave the document feeder open and process the document. You've got to actually close the plastic cover, otherwise it will give you an image like this, whereby it will give you a lot of excess toner wastage on the outside. With this, you'll be able to process that document. And the lamp is exposed, and it would have given you this image here, but now it's going to give you an image like this, whereby the toner, excess toner is not wasted, thus saving on the footprint and your environment. There you go. A nice, crisp, clear copy. Okay. The machine also, as you noticed while we were standing in the machine, every now and again the machine shuts down and goes into sleep mode. It goes into sleep mode and saves you a lot of power. It merely operates on 1 watt of power every time it goes into sleep mode. And that is actually impacting less on the environment and increases your carbon footprint. Okay? The machine itself, I believe, will fit very nicely into your business model, and I believe that if you take this machine now with us, I've spoken to our director Leon, and he said that we will include a binding machine for your training manuals. Is there any questions with regards to the machine?
I think it's very user-friendly, an excellent machine, and very quiet.
Yes, it is. The quietness comes from the technology of your LED technology, whereby previously you have your drum and your other parts working and making a lot more noise. That contributes to the quietness of the machine, the LED technology.
Just in terms of the cost of it,
currently, your current cost within your organization is costing you about 4,635 Rand a month to run. And implementing this machine into your business environment will bring your costs down to about 3,100, and that will be a total monthly saving of approximately plus minus 1,535 Rand. Would we be able to place an order on this machine?
Definitely.
as long as I'm saving up, so
Yeah.
100%. We'll go through the paperwork and we'll finalize the paperwork with Joe and Jane. I'll come through to see you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
thank you.